Hey there. So this is a video that will hopefully help you go over how to insert links into things. I'm going to use an example document of the communication one-pager that we're creating so that you can have all of your information for your classes in one spot and even click on a link to get there, so it's less clicking, less pages. I have already linked that slideshow in, but I will show you with the weekly schedule. So if you have me for 9th grade academy, or maybe you have 9th grade academy but with Miss Kuntz, one of the things is, where do you specifically find your remote work? Number 4 right here. So in your 9th grade academy section of your communication one-pager document, you have weekly schedule. It's linked under the green flower or the gold flower in your Bitmoji classroom. But to make less steps, we just want to link it into right here where it says weekly schedule. So what I'm going to do is go to the document I want to link. I'm going to use the green cohorts weekly schedule for this example. You can go up to the web browser bar right here. Sometimes that gets a little iffy with like sharing permissions and stuff. So what I do is I always just go to the share button. Excuse me. And then get a shareable link. Right now it's set so that anybody in FNESU with that email address can see this link. So I'm going to hit copy link, and it has it copied. I'm hitting done to get out, and I'm going to go back to the document I'm working in, back to the place where I'm going to link in the weekly schedule. So I have my link copied. It's in my imaginary clipboard. In weekly schedule, I'm going to highlight it, and then on a Mac, I'm going to hit Command and then hit K. On a Chromebook, you need to hit you have it highlighted, hit the Control button, hold it down, and then tap the letter K. And this will let us make these words, weekly schedule, a hyperlink. So now I'm going to paste the link that I have in there. So the text that's going to show up is weekly schedule. It's going to send me to this link, which is a link to this document. So it's in there. I'm going to hit apply, and then it should work when you see blue text and a blue underline. So to test it, because it looks like it should work, I'm going to click on the words weekly schedule, and look at that. It's going to bring me to the weekly schedule. How fun. So this is how you do a hyperlink. It's something that would be pretty helpful while you are doing your communication one-pager. For all of your different classes, this is an example that I was making in my first period class this morning.